So by default in Blender, you have a theme. So you may want to work around with a different theme right here. You may be used to something else, especially if you're using another 3D software, then you might prefer a certain look. So in order to change the theme, you can go around into edit right here, and then you can go around into preferences. Once you do that, you can go around here onto themes, and here you can see that you can select out different themes as you wish. So over here, right now, Blender Dark is selected. You can choose Blender Light, and the theme turns light, as you can see. Right here, you can go around right here and select Deep Gray for a different type of look, as you can see right here. You can also go for Maya look right here if you're used to Maya workflow right here. Similarly, you can go for white user interface, which completely turns everything white, as you can see, and select out different themes as you wish. I'm just going to go around and reset this out, and it gets back to default. So I'm going to close this, and now the themes work out for all of the editing modes right here. So let's say I'm going to go to video editing mode. I can go around into preferences. I can go around into themes right here, and I can select out different theme right here. There is minimalistic change, but the change is there. You can go for white theme and so forth, and you can see that the entire user interface actually changes out to match what you select out. You can also individually go around over here and change out things right here. Let's say, for example, change the points right here, and the like text sizes changes out right here. You can go around right here. You can go for user interface right here. You can go for toolbar, text colors, and then everything else changes out according to what you select as well. And you can go around and then explore all of these out right here according to how you like it. So that is how you can change the theme inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.